Hi, my name is Divine Kika. For the last 2 decades, I've been helping clients and all my friends who want to go on a date, going on a date, being on Tinder, trying to find the one. And in San Jose, California, there is a big disconnect. A lot of people want to go on a date and they have a hard time finding that special connection. When they do, they go on dates and then the date doesn't work, and all it takes is 3 bad dates for you to feel depressed. So I created a system to help you to find the right date, to meet people, to learn to connect, to what to say, what to not to say, what to wear, how to express yourself. What do you have to heal from your past that is holding you back from having a good relationship right now? So all these tools you can learn on Tantra Match for Singles. It's a place for you to feel safe, have fun, and enjoy people like you that want to meet special people, professionals, interesting people that want to have fun, but they go, oh my God, I'm going on this date. What do I do? What do I say? Just go there, heal your heart, dance, have fun, have an epic night, meet a community, have friends, and here is the juice of it. When you are there, you're going to be with people that also learn how to connect, and you get your heart full of love, your heart full of connection. So when you go on a date next, you're not starving for love anymore. You're fully connected, so you can make wise choices on who you want to hang out and who you don't. I see you there.